Hey guys, welcome to day 21 of 100 Days of Code. Today we're going to learn about class inheritance, slicing, and we're going to be finishing up our snake game. Today I wanted to introduce you to another really important concept in object-oriented programming, which is the idea that classes can inherit from other classes, inheriting attributes, inheriting methods, basically a way to make it simpler to modify classes and give them more capabilities. Now we're also going to be looking at how Python allows us to slice things like lists and dictionaries, and we're going to be looking at how we can do that. And once we've acquired all of these skills, then we'll be able to finish up our snake game and complete the last 4 stages. So detecting collision with food, creating a scoreboard, detecting collision with the wall and with the tail. Once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and let's get started learning about class inheritance.